Perfect!
Excellent!
Beautiful! Damn, that couldn't have worked out.
Woohoo!
Yeah!
Go forward now!
No.
Yay. Oh, that's so cool. Good job.
I think you went that was city here. I got a permit. Oh, I know, but someone's coming already. I'm like, oh, this guy in the back is coming out.
Good job, sweetie.
Damn, that was like watching the ballet.
That was cool. That was so cool.
I had nothing to do with this.
You want to put the comment?
You know, that was one of the tougher jobs I've done, but it seemed to work out. You know, it was a team effort by all, and I'm just glad things turned out the way they did.
Thank you.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, Stephen.
Compensation board.
What are you doing?
Good.
Huh?
That I
What
just
are you
happened
doing?
to drive
Talking
by and
to the
catch
camera.
your phone job.
Why are you talking to the camera?
You got it where you wanted it.
Because there was a reporter there.
Do you want to leave the comment?
No, that's okay. How's the battery?
Okay.